ASMR, a day in the life of a mom. Let's get started. To all of you who doesn't know what is ASMR stands for, I researched it and it is Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. ASMR is a relaxing, often sedative sensation that begins as the feels and move down the body, also known as brain massage. It is triggered by placid sights and sounds such as whispers, accents, and crackers. So this is my version of ASMR, a day in the life as a mom. I am just showing you the plants that I have. I have been a plant mom for 5 years now, consecutive, and every year I get to have my plant, new plants. But some of these, or almost all of these plants, are been here for a while in my home, and I love being a plant mom too. Who is the plant mom here? Who loves plants? Comment down there. Let me know, guys, if you love this video with me just using my voice. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down so that I know I'm not gonna do it again. But if you love it, please give it a thumbs up and share this video, because at the end of this video, I have something for you if you are a stay-at-home mom, a busy mom, or a working mom. You can be anything as long as you are a mom. And this is my ZZ plant. I love this plant. This is from my brother-in-law. He gave it to me on Mother's Day last year only. And that cat is Lulu. He's our baby boy. He's my huge monstera from my friend Neil. He gave that as a clipping and now it's growing like a monstera. So what do you guys think? I'm just cleaning and reorganizing my space, my office / studio / vanity room. I just love fooling around when I clean up. I dance, but this is challenging for me not to put music, just my voice and talking to you guys, telling you that this is relaxing. I hope you like it, and I hope you can try it too, because a lot of our videos in YouTube especially, it is loud. We are very excitable to share, but sometimes just pure voice and the sound of your background or a white noise is good enough for a genuine video. If you are a YouTuber, have you tried this ASMR using your voice, or you just do something on the side and let people hear it? Did you like it? Please comment down there and let me know your suggestion, your advice, or your experience regarding this ASMR. ASMR. I really love cleaning my space. Cleaning and reorganizing is one of my favorite things to do in life. I love decorating too, using my plants. My plants are my aesthetic too. They're really good in the environment, especially inside your home. So if you're thinking in having a greenery space in your home, make sure to watch my video regarding a um plants home house plants for beginners, and I have all of the plants there. Is my husband's camera that I use for my thumbnail, and I am really thankful that he is a photographer and I didn't need to buy stuff for my vlogging. He already have those stuff that I can use for YouTube, for my videos. Yeah, this is really challenging, but hopefully I'm making you relax while I am cleaning and moving. I'm not sure if it is effective, but if not, at least I tried, because this is really a challenge for me. I am really a bubbly and joyful and giggly person. I just love to show my reactions, my emotions. I am a reactive person in a good way. Sometimes I have bad days too, sharing my reactions. But overall, I am a happy person. I am a happy mom, especially if my children are really healthy and my husband. That's all that matters. And my family back home, they are my shield. If they're healthy, I am happy. And of course, adding my cat, my Lulu baby. Luna is very interested in a clean space. She loves to make mess, of course, of her age, but she loves to be included on my cleaning and reorganizing, and she appreciated after. I just changed my carpet so that it looks neat. I don't have a lot of space in my home for storage, so using my bottom of my table is all I can do for now. I don't wanna buy any stuff yet since it's still COVID, but I'm hoping since I'm watching the home edit in Netflix, I get a lot of ideas how I can organize my space more, my home, and I can't wait to start a project in my home using their skills and their expertise that they share on Netflix. Watch it, the home edit.
I know it's
They
you.
are really powerful women. Their business partner. They're both women, two beautiful moms. So you get a lot of ideas there in how you clean your space, how you minimize your space, and how you make your space spacious. Yeah, it's a tongue twister. I love my background to be greenery, especially when I do videos and live streaming. It is peaceful to see. My viewers love it. Are you one of my um are you one of my viewer in my live stream? If you do, please say something in the comments so that I can say thank you to you. I really appreciate your effort, your time that you put in when you watch me, and I am so grateful that you are in my squad. If you are one of my exclusive member in my channel, thank you. Thank you for extending your love, your generosity, your support on my channel. I can't say enough. Just simple thank you is all I can do for now. I'm really grateful for you to be part of my squad. I love you guys, and I hope you consider to be part of my membership squad. Press that join button. See my perks. I can't promise you a lot of things. My support and my journey here in YouTube is all I can share with you. Please be with me, be in my journey, and thank you in advance. I hope you press that join button and be part of my family. So I'm almost done cleaning my space with my Luna. This is my new setup studio. So my vanity is not done yet. I will still try to finish everything since after I clean up, I got really sick. But now that I'm doing this voiceover, I am well already, and thank you to my husband. He kept me well. He gave me love, and um, yeah, he just let me lay down. He do all the stuff and my daughters so that I can recover, and I'm fully recovered thanks to them. If mom is sick, everything is gonna turn chaotic in the house. So I'd rather not to get sick. But it happens. This is me falling around. I'm sorry. But this is why am I saying sorry? No, I'm not sorry. This is me. I hope you're still there.
So, I'm a bit done. Halfway there. No, 20% pa lang ako cleaning my house. But this one is my space that I clean up and reorganize because I have to move away my plants in front of the window. It's getting chilly. Now it's October 1st. Woot woot! Happy fall, you all. And yeah, this is exciting because it's another month. It's um, another month that you're looking forward. Hopefully, one day you wake up and everything will be okay. Everything that is happening right now in the world with this pandemic, hopefully, it's gone when we wake up. But yeah, we just have to be positive, and yeah, so I think I will be closing this vlog of me cleaning my space, and this is my bare face cleaning my studio, and I will tour you when everything is clean. But for now, here it is. I walk you through my cleaning process and reorganizing my space. And now I'm in front of the window, And I'm excited because my coach in YouTube says that my video will be better because if I will move my computer in front of the window or the camera that I am using right now. So yeah, this is exciting. I'll see you guys next time for another A Day in the Life of a stay-at-home mom like me. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now. Thank you for watching. Happy watching. Bye.
A day in the life of a mom. As you all know, Content Pair is all about empowering women to look good and feel good about themselves. I share inspirational and motivational videos as a stay-at-home mom and a business owner. This coming November 9, it's going to be my mom's birthday, and I wanted to honor her hard work, her patience, and her everlasting love towards us, her 14 children. That's right, 14. In order to do that, I will be giving the spotlight to all the mommies around the world, in YouTube world or outside YouTube, to share their a day in the life as a mom, to showcase their story, to inspire people of how that's a life of a mom. I believe we all mommies deserves to be celebrated every day for our hard work and unconditional love for our children. To make it more exciting, it will be a contest and all the mechanics will be on the description of this video. I can't wait to see your a day in the life as a mom, your stories behind being a mom, and thank you. Thank you for your hard work, patience, and love to your children. The spotlight is all yours, and please, please share it. I would love to see you mommies and connect with all of you. I really wish you well, and good luck to all the mommies that will join in this contest. Again, this is Melanie, aka Content Pairs, your stay-at-home mom and your boss lady. Cheers to all of us. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.